What's going on, guys? We are back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. Last week I started messing around with a little challenge that I've given myself to try and do a 10 trick line but with no setup tricks. So I was able to put something down last week, but thinking about it and watching some of the footage back, I wasn't really happy with how it looked. So I want to try and do it again. I've only given myself 3 rules. First, no rock fakies. Second, no tail stalls. And third, no repeated tricks. So I'm gonna try and step it up a little bit this time, do a few more difficult tricks than I did with that first line, and see if we can get it. My shoulder. I almost had it, dude. Second try. Well, that went a lot better than last time. Not starting that line with 5-0 to fakie, which I'm getting pretty consistent at, definitely gave me a lot more energy. Because when I was falling on the first trick a lot, my legs were dead and it made it way harder to get the rest of the line. So front 5-0 is a trick I love to do. I've gotten a lot better at it recently, so starting out with that made it a lot easier. It's funny how much you rely on those setup tricks like rock fakie, tail stall. After I do a pivot fakie, I almost always tail stall, so having to switch my mindset into doing another trick is definitely a nice challenge. And it feels really good. I mean, it feels good looking back over the past 2 years to see all these tricks I never dreamed I would be able to land, and then putting them all in one big line. So that's why I film this stuff, so I can watch that progression and see if I can keep getting better from there. So thank you guys for watching. This was a fun one. See you guys next time.